Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It is 6:40 in the morning and I'm recording a voiceover so I can get like a true vibe of this video. This is a morning get ready with me. I'm looking a little crusty and I'm going to show you guys what I do to get ready in the morning. So after I take my shower, I do go in and do my face routine. I use my Noxzema and also my Clean and Clear. I kind of mix that together, and then I use vitamin E oil last. So first I go in with my Noxzema, but then I put a little bit of my Clean and Clear in my hands, and then I just rub that all in together. I don't know if I should be mixing these products, but hey, it works for me. So that's what I do every morning and every night. I repeat the same routine at night, and I've seen benefits to my skin so far, so I have no problem with it. I make sure to rub that in with my fingertips, and I just make sure it gets to a good consistency. And after that, I rinse my face with a microfiber washcloth. I do not use the same washcloth for my face that I use in the shower. So, kind of take heed of that, ladies and gents, because no, have a rag for your face, okay? I also use my rag, I make sure I get in those crevices, checking my nose, and I'm also going in to make sure my lips are not, crusty, dusty, and all that. After that, I fan dry my face with my hand and I apply my vitamin E oil. And that is all for my face routine. So after the face, we gotta worry about this hair, y'all. This hair under this bonnet. Oh Lord Jesus. Okay, so let's just get into it. Right. So this is my nighttime hair. Please don't be like me. I forgot to pin it up. I forgot to put it in twisties, but this is how she looks. She's gonna have a wash day soon, so she's okay. All right, she is. So first I'm just gonna kind of work my hands through it just to get out some of those crinkies and put it in the location that I would like for it to go. I use my jumbo elastic band and I double tie it, and that's what I use for my elastic band for my ponytails. All right, I first place it where I want it, and then I go in and brush out my baby hairs before I actually lay down my hair. Okay, so that's all you guys are gonna see now. Next, I go in with some Eco Styler and I just literally smooth that in to my hair. Eco is my product of choice when I'm laying my hair. What all do you guys use? Because this is my go-to, literally. I actually have product buildup in my hair right now, so this video is kind of a refresher. What do I do when my hair needs to be washed? This is what I do. If you do notice that you have too much product in your hair, you can simply just take a rag and rinse some of that product out of your hair before you style it again. After my Eco, I go in with my Camille Rose Honey Leave-In, and I make sure I smooth that onto my hair and the ends of my hair, because that's just what I do. Once you get your ponytail flat and secure, you can put it back, and then you can literally go back over it with your hard bristle brush and make sure everything's smooth out, okay? Now on to these baby hairs, okay? If you're not a baby hair person, you can skip this step, but I use a combo of Eco and my edge fixer that I got from Walmart. And first I go in with my Eco Styler gel and put that on top. And then after I have that on top, I go in with my I go in with my edge fixer and I shape them how I want them. This edge fixer smells so good. It's the strawberry one and it's my favorite. So dip that right on in and get to work. I personally go for a middle swoop and side swoops, but sometimes I just go for strictly sides and what are those things called next to your ear? Sideburns. There we go. I'm sorry, y'all. It's 6:40 in the morning and I'm headed to work soon. But those are how the baby hairs are looking so far. I also go in sometimes and use that little extra hair right there and do another swoop. If I'm feeling a little jazzy, that's what I do. And that's literally all I do for my edges. Again, I can go as simple as just two sides and my what are those things called again? Lord, sideburns. Or I would do something like this. So this is me just going back in and just making sure the hair is how I want it, because after this step I will be using a satin scarf or edge scarf to lay these down, and that will literally help it sit in place. I recommend to keep your scarf on for about 5 minutes and it literally stays in place. After everything looks good, I go in with my same vitamin E oil that I use for my face on my hair. It does work wonders. Vitamin E, people. Next, I'm going to go in and do my brows. I use my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in color 5, and that's what I do to my brows. I brush them out. I always start under by shaping out my natural brow. I also like to go in and make some false strokes of like my eyebrow hairs, and then I go at the top and close it off. So I follow the natural shape of my eyebrows. I just simply do this to kind of fill them in a little bit. Once I do that, I do brush out the start of my eyebrow to give it like that gradient fade in look. And that's literally my go-to for my eyebrows. Something quick and simple, no concealer needed. Just my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. By the time I finish my brows, that's the perfect timing for me to take off my scarf, and this is how she's looking. Now, most days I simply go like this to work or wherever I'm going, but today I think I want to add a headband wig. So let's pull one out of the vault. Ooh, there's one. This is my LuvMeHair. I think this is my Jerry Curl or either my deep wave headband wig. She's been around for over a year and she's holding strong, okay? So I put it in. I have previous videos on my channel featuring this headband wig. She is literally one of my favorites. She's a great go-to style. Right now, this is probably day 5 or a week old wash and go of this headband wig. I personally love what curly hair does the older it gets. So this is how she looks when she's been worn a few times. So she looks pretty good. But I also can use my mousse to kind of define her down a little bit. If I notice she's a little poofy in certain areas, I love using my foam styler mousse to kind of lay it down. And I also use that to define out some of my curls because mousse dries quicker than water. So I try not to use water if I was to head out the door. I would just simply use some of my mousse and scrunch that right on up, okay? And as you guys saw, I went in with my brown headband, and that's how I kind of styled this hair up. This is how she's looking from the back, and y'all, this is one of my favorite headband wigs. She's not going anywhere. Still voluminous a year and a half later, and I love it. So this was just a very quick get ready with me in the morning time. If you guys find this video helpful, let me know what you guys think. I'm trying to create like more content that I can be sharing on my page, and this is something that I wanted to share. So a mini skincare, a mini edges, mini get ready with me, right? But I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, you should, give me a like and subscribe to my channel and give me some feedback. What are some things that you guys would want to see me do or try? Let me know, because I'm here and I'm ready to put this work in. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching as always. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.